Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Let's have a green day today, guys. Good morning. Skeletor. Deal you in. Did you win? 68.91. Good job. It's going to be a good day for Skeletor. I'm taking his trades. What are we going to do today? We're going to trade our wealth charts. We're starting with that. Then we're going to move on from one account to the other. I think actually that is one of the advantages that we have that we should use in our favor. James G. Good morning, guys. I copy all your trades. James G. Yes, that's the Ichimoku Cloud. James, do you have your winter tires on? I was going to call you or text you to ask you. And we're starting giveaways next week, guys. James, K50, Skeletor. So show up. It's qualification during the week. No, really? Fuck, we don't. On the Nissan, it's stuck in the fucking snow. They plowed. It turned to rock, and we don't even have our winter tires on. But the good news is that JC said we're going to have rain on Thursday or Friday or Saturday, 3 degrees and some rain. So hopefully that'll melt most of the stuff and we'll be able to pull the car out. I guess I'll put it in the driveway and then make an appointment to go put on the winter tires. My wife put on the winter tires on Megan's car and on the van. And I was giving her shit. I was telling her, you always got to be the first one. I can't believe you. There's I wouldn't even think about it till the 21st. She made sure those 2 cars were done. I was making fun of her. And then look, fuck, it hasn't stopped snowing now for what, 5 days, 6 days in a row? Not hard today, but shit. Crappy fucking weather. Okay, what are we looking at? Let's take a look at what happened overnight. I saw quickly we were just trading higher. So it's another one of those days. Broke through that trend line, trading higher. Asia session, gray box. We only took out the highs of the Asia session. Blue box is the London session. We're trading near the highs of the London session. We're over VWAP. We're over previous day's close. And we're over previous day's high. So bullish, and bullish. What else do I got for you guys? Daily. Let's just take a look at the daily. Daily, you see, we touched the 50 moving average again, just like last time. We got a bearish fair value gap. Let's see if we'll respect that. Closed up all those bullish fair value gaps. Anyways, let's see if we can get up to 26,000. We did have a bit of, is it still on the chart? We did have a bit of, okay, yeah, we got back over it. I was going to say resistance, support, whatever. Here it was support. There it was resistance. There it really wasn't much. Maybe it was a little bit of resistance, then a little bit of support. So once again, we can look at it as support because we're above it. That's about a 25,625. There should be a label on this. I don't know why this doesn't have a label. Price marker, maybe that's it. There we go, 627. Now I don't have to guess anymore. Perfect. Template. Save. Save as default. Yes. There we go. Always now my lines will have a price marker on it. So let's just take a look again. 659. 786, that's 130 points above previous day's close. What's the price marker on this? Properties, VWAP, we'll see how much we're above VWAP. We got 768, 20 points above previous day's high. And 751, 81, 40 points above VWAP. They're kind of converging over here, so this might act as a magnet, this area over here. 750 to 770. Take a look at that. Keep our eyes on that. And pre-market. What are we doing pre-market? Pre-market range is inside the London range, and we're near the high of the pre-market range. ES and Q is one stronger or weaker than the other. Anything to note? They kind of look the same. Switching back and forth between charts. And Q maybe a tad stronger. No divergence though, really, that I see. Everything seems to be pretty much the same right now. We'll see what happens when the markets open. Gold, 41.40. Impressive. Impressive. 4,000 held. 4,000 held strong. Okay, let's get to the 1 minute. See what the ATR is. We'll take a quick look at the volume. The ATR is 4. That's depressing. Okay. Well, hard to make money with an ATR of 4. Volume, close to 400,000. That's usually what I want to see. I want to see us around 400,000 by the time the market's open. 340,000, kind of there. It's not 220,000 or 180,000, so that's good. Sparky's waiting for some cookies. So what do we have? What's the summary? Summary is it's a day with a bullish bias with average volume, average to low volume, and low volatility. Still, we have the 26,400. And we'll keep an eye on that yellow line, which is previous day's high, and the blue line, which is VWAP. After that, if we get below those two, well, then we have a 25,720, 710 range. Those are the pre-market lows and the London lows. I wonder if I can mark those out also, like I did the other one. Are there price markers on this? 2, extend line, show mid-price line. Nope. Auto scale, price markers, cancel. It says price markers. It doesn't show them. Okay. Maybe if I extend properties, close, indicators, extend line, apply. I don't even know which one this is. Are we supposed to extend line? Let's do the pre-market. I like the pre-market one, 9:30 to 10:30. Oh, no wonder. 6 to 9:30. We'll extend that one. See if the price markers show up. Nope. Anyways, 720-ish. So we got a bunch of levels over there, but not a lot of volatility. 923. I do have a pre-market trade right now long. Do I want to take it for one lot just to wet my whistle? You know what? I'm going to take it on SIM. I'm going to wet my whistle on a SIM account for a 2 lot. There we go. We got a decent price. Good morning, Omnius. Taking my first swing at bat in the practice cage, the batter's cage. SIM account. Got to move my cup. I am going to spill my coffee. I've been moving it around. Oh, I didn't do a sound check. Sounds like you guys can hear me, but I didn't do a sound check. Let's just get that taken care of. Seems good enough. If it's a little low, raise the volume. Sources, audio, lo-fi. Let's get some music going in my ear. Keep it quiet. Okay, what's the news of the day? The news of the day is I'm back to trading with Earn to Trade. I think that's one of the first companies I started off trading with. I think before I even discovered Apex or Top Step, or one of the OGs, one of the original companies. I like Earn to Trade because they let you turn your $500,000 account into your 50K account into a 400K account. That's pretty impressive. Nobody else has that feature. No one ever grabbed onto that feature. Okay, I gotta get out. It's a good thing I took that one on in the batter's cage on practice, because that one got stopped out. 2 lot, $27. Yeah, it's a very interesting option that they offer. It's called the Trader's Career Path. You get a 50K account, get it to target $3,000. They pay you the $3,000. Nobody else does that because that brings you to zero. Then you wouldn't be able to trade. But no, they pay out the $3,000 and then they move you to a 100K account. And then I think it's 150. If you get the target on the 100, they pay you out. Then 150, they pay you out. 200, they pay you out. Then you go to a 400K account with a static fixed drawdown. Very interesting offering. It's around $60 or something. Anyways, starting that today. I'm increasing my portfolio of accounts, spreading out among different firms. So we're trading and trying a couple of new firms. Who do we got? So now I'm with Day Traders. I'm with Taurus, Earn to Trade, Bulenox, Top Step, and Apex. I traded with Take Profit Trader and I traded with MFFU. Who's the one I dislike the most? That's an interesting question. Who do I dislike the most? I gotta say MFFU gave me the most stress. And that was just because they have that stupid 15-second rule. So you get in a trade, and I'm a quick scalper. I try to time my trades to the second. You get in 5 seconds, you're up 10 points. You want to take it. Oh, they have a 5-point minimum also. You want to take it, but you don't because you got to watch the clock. Another 10 seconds or another 5 seconds have to pass. In the meantime, your 10-point profit's going into loss. So, yeah, that was a bit of a... That kind of always threw me off guard, you know? You can't have that on your mind. You can't be having to watch the clock. And there's another firm. I don't even know who it is. I'm not going to say it's MFFU. They've initiated a no break-even rule. I don't know who that is. We have to find out who that is. No break-even. Could you imagine? You can't bring your trade up to break-even. Maybe someone's misunderstanding that. I can't see how you can have a no break-even rule. 928. The imbalance report just came out for the market on open orders. Got a little close to what did we get a little close to? Previous day's high. Kind of kissed it. So overall, mixed bag right now. Bullish since the Globex open. 5-minute chart, even the 1 minute. Might look like we're rolling over. This is a sequence here of higher lows. This is a higher low compared to that. This is a higher low compared to that, even on that thing. So maybe we're in a little bit of a micro downtrend right now. We'll pull back.
Good morning.
We're going to play it. Good morning, Omnius. Mic is yours. Let's have a good day.
I good morning. I just got here. Golly.
Okay.
I was rushing to get here.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy birthday. It's my son's birthday.
Ah, you're right. Happy birthday to your son.
My son's birthday, so my daughter stayed home.
That's how it should be.
Look, I don't know how it works.
The daughter always gets the benefit. Girls have a harder life. At least that's my theory.
Trying to get everything going, and people are calling me and texting me. I'm like, I gotta be mean. I'm like, look, I gotta go.
Fans, huh? It's terrible having fans.
What do we got? I haven't looked at anything.
Market's opening in 3 seconds, and
I got a chart for that.
they're open.
I'll go to the chart for that. We're going down. You give some morning analysis?
I did. Strong market, above VWAP, above everything, above previous day's high. But we do have a lower high. Then we did a micro continuation, and we formed another lower high. I said, well, it's possible we're going to pull into the previous day's high or VWAP. We just smashed through both of those.
We pushed back up to the same resistance we had well, not yesterday. Was it last Tuesday, Wednesday?
You talking about the 627?
And Thursday, talking about the 881.
Okay.
And it's been support several times also. Now it looks like we're rejecting off of that.
Yeah, we just took out the pre-market lows. Often we see a little bit of a reaction over there. Let me just see what ES is doing. Oh, ES is stronger. ES is stronger this morning, and she was weak. They were pretty much identical for the whole evening session, but right now ES is now showing weakness. Sorry, NQ showing weakness. NQ took out the 7 o'clock lows. ES
we had previous day value area high at 676. We get into there, we expect to feel the other side eventually. Not right away, but eventually. We're down to 25,550.
The cat's breaking things or building something, I'm not sure. Either way, he's making a shit ton of noise. So you caught a winner, I would assume, already on the opening drive, if I understand correctly, the way things work on your charts?
Nope. That one only goes long.
Oh, it only goes long. Okay. Didn't have that piece of information.
Doesn't like short trades.
Wow, I took a short trade. I didn't pull much out. Maybe 6 points of that whole decline. 68. Ouch. 10%.
We got Globex open right at yesterday's value area high.
Wow, are we there already?
Interesting.
When I grow up, I want to be like Lanto. And are you kidding?
Me too, Skeletor. Skeletor, let's make a deal. If I find out how to make $1 million in 3 days, I'll tell you. And if you figure it out, you tell me, okay? I'll keep it secret. I won't even tell anybody else.
707.
Except maybe some of the other guys. We gotta look after our futures crew, you know what I mean? Tell you what
are you bothering?
You figure out how to make $1 million in 3 days, you tell me how to make $500,000.
I think we can figure it out.
But you tell me how to make $750,000, I'll tell Mike how to make $500,000.
You just gotta have the balls to hold.
Hold what?
Hold the position. You're not making it in 50 seconds.
Before long, it's all going to be AI trading. I think that's our best opportunity.
AI assisted trading.
Well, I'm not going to say it's all going to be AI trade. There's always going to be manual trading.
Yeah, there's always a human element.
Market's always going to go up. It's always going to go down. There's nothing that can change that. As long as price moves up and price moves down, there's always going to be manual traders.
Yeah, we can identify patterns. We're not total morons. Wow, look at that. So we erased 6 o'clock, 6 hours plus 9 hours, 15 hours of hard work to get up from 25,660 all the way up to 25,830, and we just erased it in.
Did you just say it took you 15 hours to get it up?
It took 15 hours for the market to get up to 830,
okay.
And it just erased it in 5 minutes.
Okay.
That is a prime example of Joker's expression, that the markets go up with the stairs and they go down, they jump out the window.
Do I remember we have news today? Let's take a look.
Yeah, I'm not checking. The shutdown is not officially over, eh? I don't know the difference between your House and your Senate and your Congress. I don't know what the House is. The House is the Senate or the Congress?
We had news at 8. A bunch of Fed speakers. Nothing really.
Hey, the House. Is that
trying to talk about the news? You got me going in a different direction. The House is the House. The Senate is the Senate.
So the House is Congress.
And the Senate. The House and the Senate are Congress. The House is the House. The Senate's the Senate. The President's the President. And the Supreme Court is the Supreme Court.
And you have Congress. You have congressmen and senators. So if the Senate is the Senate, then the House is the Congress. I'll GPT it. I was just asking because I'm trying to figure out the shutdown, when it's going to end. It has to pass through another layer. You had the vote, but now it's got to go to either the House.
I thought the government was officially open.
No, I heard it's not over yet. I heard now it has to go through a vote to the
When I seen said people were going back to work. And
people are going back to work. People were at work, but legally, it still has to go to one of your houses, either the Senate or the Congress. Wow, look at that. I pressed join ask. It's not even up yet. You're a real bugger. Short at 87. Maybe you're short at 83.
I was kind of hoping they would just all agree that they would shut down half the government.
Yeah, well, I think it was the senators. That's it. I think the senators voted. You got the 60 votes, and now it has to go to Congress. Obviously, it's going to pass in Congress because the Republicans are the majority. But I think it has to just legally go through a vote. I heard that was going to be on Saturday, and then by Saturday, you're officially opened, even though you're opened now. Anyways, any news out today?
Nah, some Fed speaking. What was that? That guy. Why would you want that anyways? Like, imagine you're at the grocery store and you're like giving somebody's number away.
I shouldn't turn my mic on. She keeps calling back.
Turn that feature off.
Show me how.
You can show you how.
Show I don't know how to do it. This phone doesn't do anything. I don't know why you suggested I get it.
I told you, I said, whatever you do, don't get that phone.
Where are we?
I think Bama went to the wrong stream. I seen where he posted good morning or something.
That was a nurse calling me.
Was it a pretty nurse?
I don't know. Calling me. Oh, we got a triple bottom here. Maybe I'll take a quick stab for a little bit here.
Look, we're simple people. All we want to know is she pretty or not?
Yeah. She wants to come in and take care of some lady. I said, no, wrong number. Are you the husband of? Gave me a name. Nope. And she called and wants to go now and see somebody else. I said, oh, okay, well, you got the wrong number for both of us. Yeah, you have the same phone number for two different clients?
They got a lot of stuff. Nurses running around like crazy.
What's up? Tough job. I would never be a nurse. Previous day's closed. Ding, 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 ding. Now do we bounce? Finally. What's ES doing? NQ took out Asia lows. Wow. Well, now we have a crazy divergence. ES didn't even take out pre-market lows, didn't take out yesterday's high, didn't take out previous day's close. And Q smashed through all of them. And
not only is being a nurse a crazy job, a lot of them work like 60, 70 hours a week.
Woo-wee. Yeah, crazy hours.
Imagine being on your feet running around like that. 60, 70 hours a week. Non-stop. A lot of them don't even get breaks. A lot of them don't even get breaks or anything else. Just non-stop all day long. I know one, and she was they sign agreements that they'll work like 90 hours a week, and she was like doing that over and over, I guess, to pay off the student loan. It's like, damn, like, how in the hell are you working 90 hours a week, week after week?
Yeah, I don't get it either. To be honest with you, I don't know. Some people find the energy for that.
But she's saying that they make like double time and a half or something. So
yeah,
literally making like $100 and something an hour. Yeah, that's nice and all, but all the money in the world's not going to buy back your life.
Yeah, that's true. Yep, you only got one, but look, you got to pay the bills. You got to pay the bills too, eh? A lot of these people are single parents. They got kids they got to raise.
She makes good money. Her husband makes good money. They make good money. Problem is, the more you make, the more you want.
Yeah, tell me about it.
The more you make, the more you buy, the more you want, the more time you got to put in to get it. Got somebody spying on me.
Yeah, I was going to say, who are you giving sign language to? Mother of God.
What?
Oh, no. I'm just saying.
Order filled.
Order filled. I'm getting unlucky again. Trying not to be unlucky.
What? You gonna say hi? You just couldn't resist, could you?
That was the sign language.
Where we at?
No, I understand.
Everybody's gonna see if you're hiding behind me. Whatever. Are you done?
Take his hat off.
Just say hi.
No. Hello.
You saying hi or not?
41. Let's get down to 41. 42.
Hi.
We were there for a second. That's it. I lose on this one. I'm done. On this account. Lost again. Okay, that's it. This account's done.
Go away.
Cooked. I don't mean the account's cooked, but not
All right, go away.
traded anymore today. That's it. That's its budget.
That's its budget?
Yep, that's the budget.
Not a loss, it's a limit.
Hmm.
After that limit, you're saying, I ain't trading that account no more.
No, you know what? A little bit, 1-2 losses. That's it. I'm gone. I'm thinking even.
We are in yesterday's value area. So now we'll look to see if we break the other side of it or reach the other side. So what happened, man? Who killed the market?
I don't know. We've got 20-point ATR though.
Down 150 points. Anybody want to explain?
You did that to me again, huh? Second time they caught me yesterday, they caught me today.
Oh, so we rejected hard from the same area last Thursday. Hard rejection. Straight down. Now we're seeing almost the same thing. Just kind of straight down. So we got some large sellers right there.
Yep.
Still think they're driving it down so they can buy up more positions.
Absolutely.
I could be wrong.
I do agree with you.
That's still my bias.
I
Until something says otherwise.
Yeah, they're gonna shake out the week longs. They're gonna get people to say. They're gonna get people to bail.
Still don't see anything that says we're in total collapse.
But looking at the daily, it's really only the day traders. Maybe the shorter term swing traders that they can shake out. The longer term traders on the daily looks beautiful. Nothing to be worried about on the daily yet. Hasn't even broken the 50.
The daily still looks like it's ready to go for new highs.
Yep.
Look at that hammer candle. Beautiful. What was that? What day was that? Friday? Yep, Friday. Beautiful hammer candle.
Got all these new sweaters and none of them have pockets on the side, you know, over here where you can put your hands in the pocket.
Oh my.
That's a disaster.
It is a disaster. Like, who would do something like that?
No.
You don't need that kind of stuff in your
I don't
life,
need that
man.
kind of garbage going on in my life. Why do I buy them then, you ask, right? I don't pay attention at the time, but then when I'm cold, I want it.
How can you have a sweater without a pocket?
Well, a side pocket, you know?
That's what I'm saying.
It's got
That don't make no
pockets,
sense.
just doesn't have side pockets.
Skeletor, sell everything. Sell your
Yeah.
house, sell your car, sell your wife, sell the kids. Sell everything. Panic immediately. The government's opening back up. Like I saw one video and it said that the government's doing the shutdown on purpose because they don't want people to see the numbers, like the jobs numbers and the unemployment numbers and the economy numbers. So their plan was to shut the government down so they wouldn't have to report those numbers.
I hear so many theories. There's that theory, and then there's the other theory, which is what? They're making the Democrats did it so that the numbers could be worse or bad for Trump. Yeah, it's all a bunch of hogwash.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even going to waste my energy trying to figure out what the truth is. There's no more truth in this world.
It's the same scheme over and over. It's just sad watching people fall for it over and over and over. They say people have short-term memories. I guess so. Republicans get in, they make everybody hate them, then everybody votes for Democrats. Democrats get in, they make everybody hate them, everybody votes for Republican. Republican gets in, everybody hates them, they vote for Democrat. Democrat gets in, everybody hates them, they vote for Republican.
Yeah, same thing over here, except we've been stuck with the liberals, which is the equivalent of your Democrats. Dow and Russell are up, no kidding. ES was really strong, James, there for a while. Kind of weakened now. Got down to previous day's close.
Well, the problem with the ES is the same problem with the Nasdaq. I think like the top 7 companies are like 35-40% of the ES now.
Oh yeah.
And all of those companies are making circular deals. So when one company has a problem, it's going to take the entire stock market. Or at least the ES and the Nasdaq. I think the Dow's set up a bit different, along with the Russell.
Oh, we have a short. I didn't even notice. At 65, targeting 58. No, it can't be 65. 85, targeting 78. Sorry. I should make the writing bigger.
They got me muted again. What do they do that keeps muting me? When was I muted this time? We're gonna have to start a mute support group.
I
got a message those people. I don't even know what to message them. Like, we don't know why you keep getting muted. Like, why is it my mic every time? Nah, Scalptor was a second ago. I don't know if I caught it right as it did it or how long it's been muted.
Well, to be honest with you, I still don't know why you use that line 6 thing. I mean, I don't use it, don't need it, don't see a need for it.
Well, it's not the line 6 giving me the problem. Prism.
No? Thought it was always line 6.
No.
Yeah!
It's Prism that keeps muting me.
You giving me a high five? Dave?
I'm on a fucking call with my boss.
Oh, I heard you scream.
Who's screaming?
I don't know. What am I saying? Oil is dropping like a rock. I haven't looked at oil in so long. I don't even know what it's priced at. 40 bucks, 70 bucks, 100 bucks.
Watching this one guy's video, and he was talking about how generally when stocks are too high and they start to fall, people go to either oil or gold or whatever else. But now there's nowhere to go. It's like crypto's overbought, gold's overbought, stocks, or at least like the Nasdaq stocks are overbought. Well, Mike does talk to himself sometimes.
Well, I'm not talking to anybody. We're talking about talking to himself. What kind of stories you guys making up? I get it. Ooh, missed a nice one down. Missed a nice one down.
You know, that's why Mike's a streamer, because somebody caught him in his room one time just talking to himself. Now he's got to stream to other people. That way he's got an excuse for why he's down there by himself talking to himself.
Might as well stream. No, honestly. You know how tough it is. It's tough when you're on your own.
Streaming or when you get caught talking to yourself?
I feel bad for the streamers that are on their own.
I don't only talk to myself. I have full arguments.
It is odd though, you know. I notice it sometimes. You get out of the car, you drop something, and you say something out loud. Like, what? I could have just thought it. I didn't have to say it out loud. It's a funny habit that humans have. You know, like, where the fuck are my keys? Like, why did you say it out loud? Who are you talking to? You're hoping the keys answer you? 71.
Well, we almost got yesterday's value area. Looking for 25,550. Generally a good idea to be a little bit before it anyways. I don't know about any of y'all, but I didn't see much of an entry for anything. I mean, could have took the one that just happened, but that's about the only one I've seen.
Yeah, there was a short right now at 71, targeting 64. Trying to get a better price, so I'm trying to get 75, 76. I'm watching. There's it, 65, 64. Okay, hit. Finished. Trades up. We wait. Oil is dropping like a rock. Let's go look at oil.
What's our ticker for oil?
MCL.
MCL.
Tell me what it's priced at so I don't have to go look.
I think I got the wrong one. Is it futures?
Yeah, that's the problem. You got to know the month if you're on Ninja Trader. MCL.
Is that 59.10?
Wow, it's low.
Is that the right one? That sound about right?
Does. Oh, what happened? I don't know. My son came out of the office, came out quickly, and he said, yeah. So I thought he hit a big trade. So I screamed out loud, give me, high five. Then he yells at me, I'm on the phone with my boss. I said, oh, I don't know. Who comes out of the office going, yeah, when you're on the phone with your boss?
I mean, Skeletor loves his job like that, too.
Maybe he just got a huge raise. I don't know.
Maybe.
Shit. I have a long and a short at the same time. What do I do? I guess stay away, right?
So does oil just go down or what? Like all I see is down.
Short is the higher probability trade.
Like, do y'all like do an inverse trade on this or what? All I see is down. It went up for like a year and down for like 4 years.
Mm.
Does that mean the price of gas should be low?
Well, Trump said he wanted to get it to, wow. I had 10 points there for like a flash of a second. Trump said he did want to get it down to,
looks like on the daily, looks like it still wants to go down.
down to $2. Less than $2.
I think normally gas goes up during the winter, doesn't it?
Mm.
Looks like we're rounding. Maybe that's the bottom.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Pushed up, came down, took the low again, and right back up. Breaking structure, breaking through this gap.
Keep trying to put my hand in my pockets. It's not working. What a beauty, the Dow. I took it off my charts. I don't know why. You know what? It's too many things to trade. I can't trade the Dow, gold.
All right.
The accounts. It gets difficult. What the fuck am I doing?
Which one's the Dow?
Because now I have a gold chart and like a gold order panel and an NQ order panel. The thing is with Project X, when you change charts, it doesn't change the symbol in the order panel.
What's the ticker for Dow?
MYM.
The messed up thing is I have a watch list that has all this on there, but when I go full screen, I can't access the watch list.
Mm.
Did anybody think maybe we want to be able to access our watch list while we're full screen? Dow, YM, and MYM. Thanks, Coachman. Oh, that's just to the moon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, what is the Dow exactly? See if it tells us. See, I could access my watch list like that. Dow, what? It's not going to tell us. Nah, they're not going to tell us. Even the Dow's really bullish in November.
Mm.
Not gonna tell us what the Dow is. I don't know why. You know, like the S&P's 500 largest companies. Nasdaq is the top tech companies, which the Nasdaq and the S&P are looking a lot alike nowadays.
Mm.
Tech done took over all the largest companies. And then forget exactly what the Dow is. And
Dow
the rest.
Industrials, the top 30.
Top 30 industrial stocks or what?
Yep.
US 30. to the next question. What stocks are in the Dow?
Nice with me. Might have a moonshot on gold. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, gold 41.47. Oh boy, though the volume though is weak. Volume, the delta there, whatever you guys call it, cumulative CVD, cumulative delta by Gilly. It's drifting lower. It's at minus 1,000. Yet gold is going up from 41.05 to 40.50. That's odd. Major divergence with those two things.
We got Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, Home Depot, Visa, Sherwin-Williams, Caterpillar, McDonald's, United Health, American Express. I see a lot of overlapping. Salesforce. Okay. So a lot of those companies, minus Microsoft and Visa, I don't think Visa ever comes down, does it? It's just straight to the moon. All these other companies are at decent values, so maybe people will rotate out of the S&P into the Dow. Maybe that's what we're seeing. Really kind of limited where to go because everything else is so overbought. Did you take the long?
I did, yeah. Didn't get enough out of it, but I did. I haven't traded my daytrader.com account. I don't know when I initialized it. I got to take a look at it. I don't know even if they have a rule. I think you said it was 30 days, eh?
I believe that's what I read, but don't quote me on it. Go look at it yourself.
Well, it's easier to blame somebody else.
I know. I sure would hate to tell you 30 days and
and then it's gone after 5.
like, that's not cool. That guy never did buy an account like he said he was.
Yeah, it's odd. Sounded like he was right on the page.
I just hope he don't go out there and blow another $2,000. Then come back. Oh man, I blew another $2,000. Damn man, I tried to tell you stop the bleeding.
It's crazy. It really
I hate to see it. You can try to give people good advice, but in the end, what can you do? If anybody else is out there losing $2,000 a week, stop the bleeding. Just stop the account. Stop putting all your own money into an account that you're losing. Find you a different direction. Losing your own money is not going to help you improve any more than losing a prop firm.
So where are we doing? We're below the cloud, moving back up to the previous day's close. We're right at the pivot, or just a little bit above the pivot. And yes, bounced off the low previous day's close. I make a lot of mistakes like that. A lot of verbiage mistakes. Bounced off the previous day's close. And we're just getting back up towards the previous day's close. So completely different picture. NQ below the previous close, ES didn't get below it. I mean, it did a little bit, but bounced off it and maybe went below it by a tick or something.
We are pushing up, but I don't know how much strength we're pushing up with.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to let the market reshuffle the deck. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm still looking for another push down.
Wait till I see something a little bit clearer.
Mm-hmm.
Gold liftoff. Let's go take a look at gold. Thought I had it up. Yeah, well, look at that, eh?
To the moon.
And the volume indicator that I was talking about also went from negative to positive. Very strong. A lot of money going in it. Thank you, James. You just made me $100 in my PA account. I will close half, but it looks like it might go to the moon. NQ bouncing off previous day's close. How many dollars did I get out of that? Executions. What did I get in gold? I got in at 58 and I got out at 62 almost. Hey, $4. Not bad on a 4 lot. Now my 62 exit's not looking so good, given that it's at 65. Yeah, it's really going, eh?
What?
That's crazy. Look how the volume delta shows such weakness, and then the picture just completely changes. That whole divergence gets obliterated, and it makes the real move.
You want to show the stretch guy?
Hey, wait, I'm playing something on my stream for her.
Oh. Yeah. So like this guy?
Yeah, I'll put him up again. Hey, you got to show her that it says Omni-Man.
It's an Omni-Man. See it?
Omni-Max. I was going to make it Omni-Us, but...
What?
Omni-Us.
Then he's actually just green. You want to see him wave at you? Wave at him, maybe he'll wave at you. Waving?
You gotta wait 8 seconds.
You gotta wait 8 seconds, he said.
Whoa, there's your move down there, Omni-Us.
All right, go away. I gotta see what's going on. They're cold. I told you. They're cold. Nobody likes cold French fries. Whatever. Go eat your cold French fries. Yep, that was kind of the move I was looking for. Not really the best on the 2-minute chart. Too late to jump in now. All right, I'll take a break.
Yeah, I'm taking a break. Break time.
Go get this kid some French fries.
Yeah, we're going to go get French fries. It's French fry break. I'll be back.
Back in a minute.
Funny thing is, we do have French fries in our fridge. It was Chicken Tuesday yesterday. We're gonna get maybe a short. Take a look. Oh yeah, we got a short. Let's see that, 99, targeting 92. Oh, it's just under the 25,600 level. I think Omnius was talking of bagel time. Ooh, that sounds good. Nice, made a nice move. What do we got? We just broke the swings on the 30-minute. Took out 2 swing lows already. Taking another quarter off on gold. Where are we at now? It was a 465. Wow, 471. Good job. Nice trade. High five on that one. Nice move. Where'd you get in at, James? I don't remember if you said. Should I look back? Well, afternoon lift off with moonshot, dropping like a rock, oil, Dow, Russell, hedge, Skeletor. No, I don't see it. I mean, I looked quickly, but I don't see it. I don't see it. I hate this when I always want to enter in late. I want to get in down short NQ because it might go lower. It's such a stupid trade. It might go lower trade.
All right, I was gone for about 5 minutes. He was on the way to $1 million.
We also have French fries in the fridge. It was
I got a Dorito.
Yeah, looks like it. We what do we? It was Chicken Tuesday yesterday. IGA, our grocery store here. The chicken,
Banana.
fries, and 2 big coleslaws on special on Tuesdays. So we call it Chicken Tuesdays. I don't have to cook. I'm happy.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana. That's the flavor of your Doritos? Chicken banana?
That's what the kids always say. That was the one before 6-7. It was chicken banana, and then it was 6-7.
Yeah, Omnius streams under heat lamps. It's cold in Florida. It's almost 60 degrees. Man's got to stay warm.
It was like 35 this morning, 34.
Man's got to stay warm.
And then, so we have the coldest day of the year, right? My wife's like, will you go outside, pump up my tires?
Fuck you.
And like on the coldest day of the year, you want me to go outside wearing no jacket, no shoes, no shirt.
Hey, she didn't tell you what to wear. She just said, put air in the tires. If you go out naked, that's your choice.
And they weren't even low. They was at like 28 pounds. I'm like, they're fine. And what it is she always reminds me when we're doing something. Like, we're sitting at home on a nice sunny day. She's never going to say, hey, will you put air in my tires? It's always when we're going down the interstate at like 80 miles per hour. Hey, you put air in my tires? You want me to do it right now? It's kind of a bad time to put air in the tires.
Mm-hmm.
She's like, well, the tires are low. I'm like, well, they're low, but they're not like low. I mean, what can you do? You know, women are. The thing says 34. If it's at 30, it's low. Okay.
What?
Now, go 6-7 somewhere else. I knew that one was going to be a problem child being home today.
Man,
Plus, she's on restriction, so I won't let her watch TV.
We're trying to push higher over here. I got a couple of short signals. I got double short signals. I got one at 99. And I got another one at 01, 02. 01-ish, 02-ish. I didn't take either.
I'm seeing short signals, but here's the problem. We're going down, but we're not making new lows.
NQ is, ES is though. Funny.
Is it?
Yeah. Now ES is catching up to NQ's weakness. And ES is going to make new US session lows right about now. Actually, I don't think it's US session lows. It's not the entire session. But there we go. Just made new US session lows. NQ is off the bottom from the US session. Which means it'll probably catch up to ES with some speed, which means I should have taken the short trade.
ES is making new lows. Come on, hurry up. What things do? The camera's over there. Hey. Fine. Oh. Here, look, you got a monitor right there. You gotta say it.
Seven.
Okay. Feel better? Alright.
You feel better.
Kids are addicted to that stuff, man. Right, go. Okay, go. Like even the dog's barking at her. Like, get out of here.
Does look like it wants to hold. It's a tough area though. If I take a long, even if it goes, it might make a move down again just to fake me out. You know?
You know, it gets bad when the schools are sending home papers telling the parents that the kids are no longer allowed to say 6-7.
Well, that's already borderline crazy. Seriously. Kids can't say 6, 7, so they'll find something else to say.
Yeah, right. I just want to know what the punishment is for saying 6, 7.
You got it right 60, 70 times.
I know at least one of my kids have to test that out.
Okay, I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh, yeah.
Figure it out.
Yep. It's weird. No, I did say we might be heading up. Well, then again, on the 1 minute chart, it doesn't look like we're heading higher. We're just trading sideways now for the last 15 minutes.
Right now you're SMT or whatever. Yes, made the new low, but Nasdaq didn't.
Yep.
Where's one of our ICT guys at? Is that what they call it? Not up with the lingo.
SMT, yeah. Smart money time. Divergence. A divergent.
I'm too old for the new lingo. I got to use the old lingo.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. It's doing that thing again. You know, the one thing.
Divergence. What's gold? Gold, 41.74. Yeah, I figured ES if ES kind of bounces here at previous day's close. Now we go back up to 68.80, and Q is going to start to make a little bit of a move. But NQ is still under the pivot point, still under the previous day's close, still under VWAP, still under London lows, Asia lows. So it's hard to make now an argument for NQ strength. If I go long here, it is a counter trade trend. Counter trend trade. That's what I meant to say.
We got you.
Hmm.
We knew it without even the right lingo.
Counter trend. Shit, missed that. Missed the bounce. We're gonna go up to 659. I just feel it. But gotta get a good entry. Can't just jump in anywhere.
You can feel it?
That's what gets me into trouble, when I just jump in for no reason.
So you can feel it?
I can feel it.
You can feel it coming in the air at night?
Yep.
Okay.
That is such a good video. Have you seen the recent one where he does that live and he goes up on the stage on top for the drum bit? I could watch that over and over and over and over and over. And you can't watch it loud enough. Do you know which video I'm talking about?
No, I didn't see it.
It's live. Yeah, I think it's the main video now if you type it in.
You know what they say, though? If it's too loud, you're too old.
Uh-huh.
My kids are always telling me and the wife we listen to music too loud. Isn't that kind of like ironic? Like the kids always running around yelling, making all kinds of noise. But we listen to music too loud.
Really? No kidding.
What can you do, right?
So I typed in hit the like button and you're not going to see it because the word hit got moderated out. Do you see it?
My chat or your chat?
Yours. Do you see that I wrote?
No.
And then I wrote push on the like button. But yeah, hit got moderated out.
Wow, shouldn't have any moderation on mine.
I think they just do it automatically because, yeah, the same thing. I removed the moderation, but yet there's moderation. You know, a little bit of moderation in moderation in moderation is good. A little bit of moderation. I ruined my joke. A little bit of moderation.
Nope, I don't like it at all. I want no moderation. What if somebody's having a bad day and they want to tell me to go screw myself or something?
I'm all for moderate censorship, and I think people should be controlled on what they're allowed to be able to say.
What? Why?
I'm joking.
Some of the best conversations are with your haters.
Censorship, it's ridiculous. I swear, all these policies, they're like bringing us back in time. It's like you said, Democrat and Republican and Democrat. It's like times were shitty. We fixed it. Now they want to go back to...
That one guy's still waiting on Skeletor to give him $50.
Yeah, maybe. Everyone has a short-term memory. No one remembers. Things didn't work out that way with censorship and that kind of, let's try it again. They have to learn they have to keep learning the same lessons over and over.
I think it's just human nature. Here we go, we're breaking down again or what? It was a good spot there. I do think we probably could have been short. Quick pop up, jump in short.
I don't know. As you said it, I'm short. I went short. I think it shows up on my trade. It'll show up on my charts in 8 seconds.
I do want to go short. Maybe I'll do a one lot. My stop's way too close. That's not that bad.
There we go. I have to pull in a winning trade. These 2 new accounts are proving to be difficult for me. Yeah, it is. Closing the last piece on gold. What are we at in the 80s?
Even again, as soon as I jump in, it just takes out my profit. I don't know how anybody in the world could trade with a prop firm that says 15 seconds or more. That was 21 points in what, 1.5 seconds?
Yeah. James, you made a lot of money in gold. You're buying lunch next time. That doesn't even matter whose turn it is.
Yeah, right.
Fuck, we're dumping. I'm struggling today.
Sure.
You know what? I'm doing a lot of counter trend, short-term trades, and I'm just getting smacked with them over and over and over.
All right, hold up your left hand and say, I swear I will not trade counter trend.
I swear I will not trade counter trend. Oil's in the basement.
Said before, I feel like I should be a counter trend trader. I feel like that's naturally more my personality.
Yeah.
But for some reason, every time I do it, I lose. Until somebody tells me a better strategy, trading counter trend, I'm gonna have to stick with trend trading.
You know what it is? It's just a stupid voice in my head that says, okay, it's gotta change. It's gotta change directions. It's gotta bounce.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, let it bounce. Let it show that it bounced, and then trade continuations into that bounce. Don't try to fucking keep catching the bottom.
Oh God, I see these people popping up everywhere now. I seen the one video the other day. It was this woman, 30 years of trading experience.
Oh, yeah, I think I know who you're talking about.
You know what her 30 years of trading experience got her?
I don't know.
The
bunions on her feet?
The martingale strategy.
Oh my God.
Like, seriously? That's all you got in 30 years? She's like, watching this video, and she's like, yeah, I don't understand like how great this strategy is. You buy it, and if it goes against you, you wait, and then you buy it again. Now it's only got to come up halfway. See how much you're going to win?
Yeah, it's a sure thing. It's a sure thing to empty your account. The death trade is always waiting around the corner.
Yeah. I remember I tried that several times when I was new. It used to be so big back then. Everybody was doing it. I hated that strategy.
I had a guy
worse than sitting in a strategy, watching your entire account be blown, and hoping and praying that it comes back. Well, if I just add one more, right, it'll bring it down a little bit more, and maybe it'll go back. Not for me, man. Not for me.
Yeah, I had a guy call me, I mean, a friend. It's a little bit of a stretch to call him a friend, but, you know, a friend. I liked him. He was, you know, I knew him from the family. I got this roulette strategy. I've been playing it. I'm always winning. I said, she's a master martingale trader guru, 30 years. I said, no, you can't do martingale in roulette. You will get cleaned out. I promise you. No, I never lose. You don't know what you're talking about. I said, hey, buddy, I've done I think I've done 1 million manual spins on roulette simulators. That's manual. I'm not even going to tell you how many I've done on simulations. Do not talk to me.
Oh, and then the lady was making it all sound like so fancy and stuff, right? She's like, "Oh, our group does back tests, and this is what the statistics show and stuff." And like, how you got statistics on buy and then buy lower? Come on now. At least try to make it sound like it makes sense. And the new people don't know any better, so what can you do? Just look at your chart today and just think if you would have bought and then bought lower and then bought lower, how your account would be. Bama, good morning.
It would be in the same place that oil is in the basement.
I'm just happy being in and out of trades in under 15 seconds. And I hate the feeling of being in a trade and seeing it down and hoping and praying for it to come back. And
Bam, I hope you're joking.
Bam, I did, and it isn't looking good. Bam, are you doing the martingale strategy?
You said imagine buying and buying lower and what your account would look like. So
I'm pretty sure that I can say this with confidence. I'm pretty sure if Bama's doing it, he's got a strategy for it.
when
So,
someone tells me that,
if that's your strategy, if you actually have a strategy and that's what you're doing and you're following your strategy, then you have to know your strategy and accept the wins and losses and the consequences of your strategy. Just buying randomly and then buying lower and then buying lower is not a strategy. I mean, it is, but it's a strategy that's gonna lead you to places you don't want to be. If the market was that easy, we would all do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
First off, that strategy only works with people who have personal accounts and have very large amount of money.
Bugger you.
About 5 micros, down 1,000. That sucks. But once again, I'm pretty sure I can say with confidence that that was your strategy and that you know the win-loss of your strategy. Are you still in the trade or you closed the trade? I do see on the 2-minute and the 5-minute, put in hammer candles. Also on the ES. So it's possible we could go up. Also possible we could go down.
Okay. You came out of the room and you screamed, yeah! I thought you hit a big fucking winner. I thought you get like a 5-hour trade or something.
Yeah, James. Typically, the martingale strategy is not a good idea.
Typically, never. Not typically.
I mean, I'm kind of hypocritical. I use it sometimes. I use it on my bot. But you know what? I got the strategy and the data and the information to tell me that second entry. So I only ever do 1 second entry on the bot, and I got the data that said that second entry is actually the best trade.
Yep.
So while technically it would be the martingale strategy, it's not trying to average. It's not trying to move its take profit, stop loss, anything. Everything's set. Yeah, Skeletor. Just imagine an order flow trader with martingale. You must never lose a trade. Well, a lot of order flow traders, they do like a version of martingale, but the difference between them and the martingale strategy is they have a spot.
You can't use the word martingale just because someone's adding to a trade. Martingale is a specific term. That's dollar cost averaging you're talking about.
Right.
There's a difference.
I'm saying all right, maybe I'm saying it wrong.
Yeah, no, of course, James, I agree. 1-2 extra trades is not martingale.
Right.
That's fine. There could be a buying zone that you're in. That's not martingale is doubling up and then doubling up and then doubling up and doubling up.
Most order flow traders try to
one unit.
Come in at a range. They'll say like, say point of control. You're getting the point of control. You got a support there. You want to average in slowly around that point of control, expecting it to go back up and take profit. So I do like strategies like that.
Doubling nonstop.
Yeah. No, stuff like that, it's hard to make it work. And the problem is it works so much that you think it works until you get into market conditions where
takes everything away.
Keeps going against you.
Yeah.
Actually, looking at it, we did get a sweep of the previous, and I should have sold.
And the other was sick thing about it is as you start to add and add and add and add, you become so committed that there's no way you're gonna let it go now. Now it's all in or nothing. And that's the problem. It becomes an all or nothing play.
Yeah.
You know, people don't put limits on, okay, I'll double, but I'll double twice or I'll double 3 times, you know? And then if it goes to the next one, I'll get out and I'll take a loser of 15 units or whatever.
Bam, if you're still in the trade, I would say define your stop loss somewhere. Wherever you define it, put it somewhere.
But it's funny, it's a counter to the martingale that got me into Renko. Just how the logic in martingale is, it's got to turn, let me add. When there's a new Renko bar, that's what made me start to try and figure out what the probability that after a first Renko bar, what's the probability there'll be a second one. That's where it all started, actually.
Yeah, when I first started, there's so many people doing strategies like that. For someone to tell you, like,
still are. We probably just tune them out. I think there's still the exact same amount of people thinking it's the Holy Grail.
But it's funny how, like, I'm seeing so many of them now. Like, they're coming out of everywhere with that strategy.
Hey, we should actually try it. We should open a channel. Just take a one lot. Try to figure out what the average range is. Cut it into some pieces. Let's say you add every 60 points or something. You too can have 399 winning trades in a row. If you've never done martingale, you're not a trader. No, I think that's everybody's starting point. We should have told that to Cool Dude. You need a system.
That's probably what he was doing.
Google martingale.
We're all just going to trade that strategy, and we're all going to be millionaires in like a week or two.
The anti-martingale is an interesting strategy, where you actually double up when you win.
I don't know. Every time I add the winners, I lose too.
Oh yeah, it's funny. You and me have the same. We have the same issues, the same problems.
I add the losers, I lose. I add the winners, I lose.
Yep.
I think I lose more adding the winners than I do losers.
Yep, I can't get that to work for me either. I'm best just swinging the bet, taking whatever the market gives me. Base hit, double, whatever.
Yeah, my best success is, like you see, I don't use 2 take profits. And I have before, I do sometimes, but I just want all in, all out. Give me between 15 and 20 points. And
yeah, that's good.
Sometimes I'll even take it sooner than that. I don't know. Get 3, 4, 5 of those a day and cross a couple accounts. And I mean, you got a pretty good day. Probably not going to make $1 million in a week or two, but what can you do? I do want to work with a little bit of order flow and a footprint chart and try to get better entries. Because we see, what chart am I on? This one, we see this push up, large order right here. I feel like a footprint chart would have said, hey, sell right here. And I was already looking for that area on the 2-minute chart. So, I think it's just finding different things that work. Slowly but surely we piece the puzzle together. So, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute, 7 minute, 8 minute, 9 minute, 10 minute, 11 minute, 12 minute, 13 minute, 14 minute, 15 minute, 16 minute, 17 minute, 18 minute, 19 minute, 20 minute, 21 minute, 22 minute, 23 minute, 24 minute, 25 minute, 26 minute, 27 minute, 28 minute, 29 minute, 30 minute, 31 minute, 32 minute, 33 minute, 34 minute, 35 minute, 36 minute, 37 minute, 38 minute, 39 minute, 40 minute, 41 minute, 42 minute, 43 minute, 44 minute, 45 minute, 46 minute, 47 minute, 48 minute, 49 minute, 50 minute, 51 minute, 52 minute, 53 minute, 54 minute, 55 minute, 56 minute, 57 minute, 58 minute, 59 minute, 60 minute, 61 minute, 62 minute, 63 minute, 64 min
Well, what a day. Just straight down, eh? You know what? I think I didn't take advantage of it properly because I think I put in my mind a bias we were going to go up. I think I just had that nagging bias. Gotta stop doing that. This probably would have been a glorious day for me if I didn't have that in my head.
I hate days like that. Fight the market all day long, and then at the end of the day, look at it, review what happened, and realize that all I would have had to do was just go with the market, and I'd have had a great day.
Yeah, it's okay to, to review and look where we are compared to the Asia session, London session, form an opinion, but in the end, really, you don't need it. You just got to look at, for me, just got to look at where we're going and jump on the bus in that direction.
Well, what I'm saying is, like, show my 2-minute chart here. You see the lines are red, the clouds red. We've only ever been short all day. Best entries here, and I blame it on Trading View. Their drawing tool sucks. Here. Why they keep raising prices? You think they could give us a better drilling tool?
What's the all-time high in gold, James? 4,400? I think it was, eh? I don't want to switch my chart and look. I only have my gold. The only chart I have on gold is a Renko chart and a 5-minute. Doesn't go back far enough.
Zoom out. What are we looking at? Once again, we're at this area. We had this big dump from this area. Same thing last Thursday. Same thing last Tuesday. We're seeing this area. We see these major dumps. Somebody big in the market's looking to short big at this area. My theory, they want to push it back down to the 25,400 or maybe even the 24,600 and then push back up to all-time high. Could be wrong. That's just my theory. I'll change it and alter it as we get more information. Go on, say it, Mike. That's not a theory.
It's a bias. No biases.
My wife would say, well, then that's not a theory. Oh, whatever. Theory's got to be backed by evidence, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was doing. Looking for where we're going. We got support at 25,478. Really our next support. While we are still trying to make another low, not making as big of lows as we were before. Also, our RSI is not really going low. Got divergence.
I'm starting to hear Christmas music on the radio already. It's too early.
We was trick-or-treating downtown, and one of the stores had a bunch of Christmas stuff on Halloween. I'm like, look at all this Christmas stuff. That is scary. I got all offended or something.
Come and trade on the floor. Learn to trade and so much more.
Bama, this is so frustrating. Yeah, Bama.
Yeah, soon I'm gonna have to do my bean counting for the day.
Bean counting?
Yeah, see how I'm doing.
With beans?
Yeah, we just call it bean counting.
Well, now we gotta know what that is. You can't just tell somebody you're bean counting and stop there.
Bean counting. See how I'm doing. See my results for the day. Go over my my statistics, my numbers. I gotta count the beans. Bean counting. Okay, what do I want to do? Jesus, how do I save this so that I get back and look at it? I'll enjoy that with my pizza. Sparky, drive me nuts.
Man, this is frustrating because it's hard to tell. Is it going lower? Is it going back up? Like, to be honest, it kind of looks like it's in that kind of slow trickle down mode. Mike, you know how sometimes you just go up slowly?
Yeah.
Everybody keeps trying to short it, so it just keeps fueling it to go higher. I feel like we're almost in kind of like the inverse of that.
Hi. Yeah. No. Please not Mariah Carey. What's Mariah Carey? Was I singing this? Oh.
Probably going to 450.
I like the Mariah Carey Christmas song.
Yeah. But doesn't have to. But like I said, if you're still in the trade, put your stop somewhere. I mean, we all know that there's a chance that it could just go right to it and reverse, but also a chance it could just keep going down. So, I don't know. And we see here that it keeps trying to push lower. Obviously a large buy order there. Where's our footprint guy? I know you got footprint, but I don't. Not footprint.
Beat.
Book map. Ideal conditions for martingale.
Let's have a sip of coffee. Anybody want to play a game? Find a naked lady? Short. Huh?
I'm looking at the book map. This guy's book map on NQ. There ain't nothing there. Maybe he fell asleep. I think that's going to show us
Trying to
anything.
chocolate salty balls.
Looking at this guy's book map, looks like he's got kind of large order at the 530, then the 500.
Sparky.
Yeah, there also. Yeah, Tor, what do you think the promotion's going to be?
Or what?
He's saying he's waiting for the Black Friday specials on prop firms.
Yeah, there's some good ones coming out already.
I think it was last year. Was it last year or the year before that they didn't really have any specials?
Top one. I saw top one. It was top one. Wasn't top one futures. It was top one. What are they? You know, they have two companies. They have two divisions. Top one futures and top one traders or something like that. The first one is the original. It was Forex. But you know what, guys? You can still get that account. And I think you trade with MT4. And then you just trade the NAS 100 on MT4. I have no idea what their deal and what their offering is. I know Luna was talking about them quite a bit, but I think that was top one futures. But even if top one traders has a really good deal, I have been seeing a lot of ads. They've been pumping out their ads a lot.
There's a lot of good deals out there right now.
There is. Taurus, $11 an account, 50K account. Seriously? It's 3 for $33 on the 50K account. That's I think that's the top deal right now.
Sorry, Bam, I missed your comment. My fault, 'cause I didn't pay enough attention to structure. Let bookmap dictate the trade again. Yeah, that's what's hard about adding in new things or different things. You get analysis paralysis looking at all of it, especially the new stuff, because it's new information. Looks like we're fixing to break new lows again. So I know it sucks, but I would say put a stop somewhere. Wherever you think is the best spot. If you haven't put it in yet. Chorus Arena, Skeletor. They have a deal where you can get, I think it's 3 accounts for $33. But I don't think they have it. I don't think they have that listed anywhere. They sent us an email telling us that, but I didn't see it on their site. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to get the 3 accounts and you go to their site and you don't see that deal, let myself or Mike know and try to go back through the email and see what all you got to do to get it.
Okay, I changed the code. Let me go find it.
Also, Day Trader still has their deal 90% off. Still one of the best out there because you only pay once. I mean, you pay for the account as long as you got it. Don't blow it and you don't have to pay for it.
Mm-hmm.
What's 24 a month? Is that the Taurus?
Why is it not working? Hey, Alex. What chip? What chip's here? Where's what chip? I see what chip. It's supposed to be show. I just checked. Why are you not working? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I always forget. Alex, you are what chip?
Yeah, on Day Traders, you get still 90% off. You can get a 50K account for $38. That's a one-time pay, so as long as you don't blow the account, next month you don't pay anything else. The month after that, as long as you don't blow it.
Do, 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 do.
Doors 24 per month.
No,
50K,
no.
But
no, Taurus is 3 for 33.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I'm probably not showing that on the website because I didn't see it yesterday when I was on there.
Yeah.
But like I said, Skeletor, if you're interested in Taurus, let's try to find you that 3 for 33 deal. Oh, wood chip's on the board. I was wondering why everybody kept saying wood chip.
Now you have to type in show. But give me a minute. You have to type in show wood chip.
Oh, show wood chip.
But not yet. I got to open up a web server. I keep forgetting that simple step. We are running in a few seconds. There we go. Web server is running. Hopefully I don't have to open it before the game. Show me the wood chip. No, it's show. I changed it.
No, breaking back down again.
Let's see. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, this could just dump down to the
Okay. Give me half a second here.
25, 470, 450 area.
Such technical difficulties. Well, I haven't played with this game in a long time. I forgot what I have to do.
Bama, not financial advice, but if it was me, I'd maybe place a stop right there. If I was still in. Not financial advice. Your strategy's way different than mine. We know that, so. I still don't see the 3 for 33 deal, right?
There we go. Now
See
it's
the
working.
24.49. Platform.
No, you're not going to see it. It's not a public deal.
So the question is how do we get it? How do we tell people to get it?
There we go. Showing the tile. I don't know. I have to look into it.
All right, I got it. All right, Skeletor, if you want the Taurus Arena, 3 accounts, $33, $11 a piece. What you do is you go to Taurus Arena. You put in whatever code you're going to use. Mike, do you have a Taurus Arena code?
Floor.
You have floor for Taurus Arena?
Yep.
Okay. Put in your code. When you go, you're going to pick your platform. Whatever else you're going to pick, you're going to click next. It's going to ask you your billing information. Then it's going to ask quantity. Simply change the quantity from 1 to 3. And it's automatically going to apply that deal. There's nothing there that tells you that, but damn, Mike, you can keep going, buddy. Really? You can keep going.
I don't get it.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh,
7,
yeah? No
8.
way.
9, 10.
It's 11-11 no matter what?
Yeah,
Wow. How'd
Fuck,
you figure
dude,
that out?
I'm at 30.
You figured it out for me. Do it, baby. Buy 30. We'll
It's
give
only-
them away. I should have
only-
bought it. You know what? It's cheaper than
It's only
Then,
$330.
it's cheaper than Bulenox.
Yep, $11. Damn. You could do end of day for 19.
Yeah. You can add end of day.
No, wait, maybe I'm looking at it wrong. Okay, it's plus 19.
Taurus, James. Taurus Arena.
They did have the end of day was 50%, remember?
It's 111 or 119. I'm not sure. It's the activation fee.
Or what is it, Taurus?
Yeah.
Challenge. It tells you on the site. What is it? 119.
Yeah, I have it somewhere.
Activations 119. They have a bunch of add-ons.
Yeah, 119. No, they don't have a bunch of add-ons. They have one add-on.
They don't? What are you talking about?
They have one add-on. James, if you want the $11 special, it's you got, like you said, you got to type in the code floor and then change quantity to 3. It's not an advertised special. Just so you get 3 for $33. Yeah, it's a secret special.
It's a secret
what were you
special.
saying?
They have the add-on for
end of day drawdown, $9. That's it. I think
And you
it's
have,
half pricing. I think
incre-
it's $4 now.
increased consistency to 30%.
No, that's only with the PA.
Okay. Yeah. They had discounts on those though. Well, the
I told you. I think the end of day drawdown is $4. to change your account end of day drawdown. I think I remember saying it was 50% off. Oh no, it's 50% off. It's normally $19. Now it's $9. That's it.
Yeah, it was $9.50.
There you go. There you go.
I don't even see that now.
I guess when you type in the code and then you choose it, it probably just, like you said, it probably just updates the billing.
Okay. So yeah, you my damn mouse would work. Do you have to add it to every one? So yeah, they got it for $9.50. So you can get 3 or more accounts for $11.
I didn't know that. Thought it was just 3.
Yeah. So it's $24.50 for one, and then you go up to the 3 quantity, it'll be 11, and everyone after that. So either use code FLOOR or code Omnius. Put that in, check it out. Still got the day trader. They still got a really good deal. I think Bulenox is still 73%. I typically don't like buying. Like, give me the 83 or better. Bama could be it there. Maybe it came down, swept that liquidity. See if it tries to push up. Yeah, Bulenox still 73%. I guess it's still worth it, but if you don't need it right now, I'd probably wait. Yeah, humming. What are you doing? No. You want to say hi again? You got about 3-4 hours. Say hi again or no? All right, bye. See you later. Go away. I think she's bored. Some mean guy won't let her watch TV. I forgot about the game. I was looking at the other stuff. Got it working?
Yeah.
How about... Is it show or show me?
Nah, just show. I made it easy.
Platform supported for tourists. I don't like their website.
It's primarily Volumetrica, which
Uh,
is
Quantower. They got Quantower.
they have Quantower, but it's I don't know if there's a link to it. I think you have to have your own version of it. I'm not sure.
Why would you say that?
I don't know. I don't know why I say that. I'm unsure. That's all I know. I know I'm unsure. And Volumetrica or Volsys or all of them, I think it's related to deep charts. I'm not sure.
You come to the first page,
There's
type
links
in
to all
the
of them.
code, click the what account you want, 25, 50, 100. Go to the next page, shows you the... Gotta make sure you click on what account you want and then click next page. And it shows you your options are Volsy. Never heard of it.
Volsys. No, it's Volumetrica. I have it up. I have it already. Let me open one up for you. It's like Project X, just like wealth charts. They're all going their way of these proprietary platforms.
They got Volbook. Never heard of that. They got Atlas. Heard of it. Never used it. And they have Quantower.
There's also a link for deep charts, though.
What?
Oh,
I see that. Where do you see that?
I don't know. I had a link for deep charts. Let me bring that back over here. Sparky, you can't come on my desk here, please.
I don't really see a help section like most other sites would have.
Sparky, please. Don't make my life. You can't walk on my keyboard. Don't look at me like that. Okay, I'll throw you a couple of cookies on the floor. And then you'll run away. Right, that will get rid of you. There you go. I'll have your cookies. Yes.
Funny because all their platforms look about the same. I don't know that What did you say? Volsy?
Volsys, Volumetrica.
Volsys. That one looks kind of cool.
It's a good platform. I like it. Hold on, let me open it up. It's easy to use. I gotta tell you, wealth charts was not. You remember when I was setting up wealth charts? Everything is hidden. You were banging your head against the wall for everything. This is Volumetrica. Hold on, let me change my It's very easy to use. You got everything up on the top, indicators. But you know what? It kind of acts like Trading View. The order panel. You don't see the order panel. Actually, it's a combination of Trading View and Ninja Trader. Hold on, let me see. Sources.
So pick between that one or Quantower.
Yeah, that's the order panel over there. Very similar to, I think, Ninja Trader. If I open it up on top, oh no, the thing is there. I'd have to squeeze it. Squeeze it. Open it up on top. You got the menu items. Do they show up there? Squeeze.
Looks like we could finally be pushing up. Bammy, you still there? You still in? Did you get out? If you got out, are you thinking about getting back in?
There
Looks
you
like we're
go. That gives you
bullish engulfing on the 15-minute. Got one on the 5-minute, and we got kind of a morning star pattern on the 2-minute. Won't buy unless it comes lower. No. Kind of see something like that.
Let's trade with it. It's my last account, I think, that I have left to trade with. So I said I was going to do some bean counting. Apex. Let's go back to Apex and see how I did on Apex. Apex down 159 and up 41. No good. What else did I have? Oh, I had my wealth charts. That was up 100 and something. Okay, so that's about even. And Bulenox down $6. So that's my day. Pretty much a flat day then, overall.
It's going to hold this trade, but shot up 20 points rather quickly. Yeah, I'll take it there. Y'all know I can't hold a trade.
Looks like the timing. He just came off.
Yeah, I saw that large order that it didn't push up. Kind of hesitated. I was like, oh no, get me out. I missed the whole platform presentation, didn't I? So now if we could see a retest of the trend line, we probably won't. Right there would be, I think, a real good entry. Yep, I think the bullish engulfing on the 5, the 15, the kind of morning star pattern here kind of called it.
Working. Okay.
Then again, I'm not a very good reversal trader. because I can't hold my trades that long. Like, I feel like I'd be a good reversal trader if I could just hold my trades longer.
Yeah, that's the thing. You got to be able to. You got to set a pretty, in my opinion, you got to set a pretty deep stop, and you got to be able to hold through everything.
All right. What was our chart presentation?
We did a
I
chart
missed it.
presentation.
Is that the platform you're talking about?
Volumetrica, yeah, that's the one that's up right now. So it's a volume-based, I think, platform. They say you got volume profile. Let me go to the indicators. Add indicator. Got things that they don't give you on the. You got volume profile, volume delta, VWAP. Those are three things you don't get in Ninja Trader, Super Trend.
You should get all that in Quant Tower.
Order flow values, order flow analyzer. An imbalance tracker. You get some cumulative delta candlestick.
You have large order.
I think I saw that. No, I don't have that. On the volume, it's bad, high, low, delta percentual, imbalance tracker, order flow analyzer, order flow values, price levels, unfinished tracker.
What's the order flow tracker?
I have no idea.
We'll double click it.
Where do you have an order flow tracker? You have an imbalance tracker and an unfinished tracker.
I thought you said order flow tracker.
No, order flow analyzer and order flow values.
All right, what's the analyzer?
Oh, it looks like you're, oh, look at the setup.
What the hell is that? Is that footprint?
I have no idea. Let me do close. You tell me, you use those charts.
It's not even footprint. What the hell is that?
I don't know, which one did we put up?
I don't like it.
Indicators, that was order flow analyzer.
So I assume maybe that's the delta. It's kind of showing you the delta, kind of like I got my chart set up.
Indicators, add indicator. Volume. Order flow values. I couldn't tell you. I don't use these things, so I don't know what they're supposed to look like. I don't know what they're supposed to do. Again, there's a setup page. Indicators, order flow values, delete, add indicator, volume.
Made back 350. So
The cumulative delta candlestick, that's probably interesting.
now down 950. It's not that bad, Bama. I know you want to make it back right away, but well, you was trading what, 5 MNQ? Still, it's not that bad because if you go for larger trades, you're used to larger stops anyway. So don't. Take it. Try again tomorrow. I do think we're still pushing to the upside. I would look to see what this does. See what kind of trade you could form here. Do we get like a trend line, some kind of break or something, push up? Or we could just go sideways. So I would look for something kind of, if you're already down that much, I would try to make it something like a good setup. especially if we come back down here to this gap and react there. Like a bullish candle coming off of that gap there. Don't have my footprint up, so can't really see what the last 30-minute candle. Draw something like that. About the same as there. I'm getting another buy signal. Had several big orders come in, 3 orders off,
5,600.
over 100 to sell, 2 of over 100 to buy. So I may buy if we try to push lower, buyers step in. Yeah, I would look for something like that. And I would even think about, because of how much you're down on the day and you made some of it back, I would even think of maybe lowering contract size. I would not be trying to make all that back today, because I find that every time I try to do that, it ends terrible. So I would make peace that maybe you don't have to make that back. Look for really good, yeah. Look for really good setups. And whatever you make back, and accept what you don't. Nothing worse than making a bad day a terrible day. Trying to fight to make it back. When in reality, if you can make back, you said you made 350. If you can make another 100 or 200, and that's still a lot better. Now we're getting bearish candles coming in. Got to see if it comes down here. See how it reacts. In my opinion. Yeah, that's what I'd be looking for, Bama. Buyers, see buyers step in.
Order filled.
$64.71.
My mouse still glitches when I try to move across the screen. Still haven't got that issue fixed. Terrible. I'm might have to go out and buy a different mouse, try that or something. Maybe the driver's corrupt and it just can't fix itself.
Yeah, that's possible too.
I've already deleted it several times and supposedly re-downloaded the driver.
Order filled.
What? I'm busy. Go away. I'll be done in a little bit. No, you got like 3 hours.
Order filled.
I'll be done in a little bit. We'll go do something. Mike, you selling?
Yeah, I'm short, but I don't like the trade. Fuck, I want to get out of it. I'm just waiting for a little bit better price break the low of the previous candle on the 1 minute. It's hanging here. It's taking too long. And
Order filled.
my entry was lousy. Where's that coming in from? The order fill. Are you guys hearing it, or is it just me?
Maybe you're muted.
Maybe.
Yeah, we react to this area.
Oh, it's true. No, I still have my daytraders.com account to trade it. I forgot about that. Yeah, it's breaking lower. It just took 3 minutes to do it. Lord knows holding 3 minutes is an eternity. 11:45 already.
Yeah, no, I don't know what happened. It was like 10:45. Now it's 11:45.
Mm-hmm.
Some buyers trying to step in.
Wow, gold's at 4,200.
I feel like we got to push up. I need something that tells me like quicker signal to get in there. 'Cause now we're way up here. Well, then down here. Still got a bearish candle on the 5 minute. 15 minute looks kind of ugly also.
Order filled.
I don't know, Bama, this might keep going down.
Order filled.
Yeah, now we're getting the large orders pushing through, going down. Yeah, a few buyers stepped in, but then the sellers just took them over. See how they act. What was the orders like 500, wasn't it? Yep. I think for me, all that would kind of be a no. $25,480. I think that would be next big spot I'll be looking for. Do all that, just blew right through it. Nobody even there.
No one's got it yet? Oh, it's just Omnius blank. Show Omnius. Someone did show
Rigged.
Skeletor. Show Renko.
Yeah, it's rigged. Are we getting buyers now?
You'd be surprised how often I play and I get down to the last two tiles. It makes no sense. Take care, guys. Have a good rest of the day. You too, James. Good trading today.
James, take care. Mike, you want to play like a drop game or something?
Okay, sure. Let's find. Oh, that was the winning
11:50.
tile. No. Fractal. I just got it. It was show fractal. Okay. Oh, wait, I get it. One more trade. Let me just take one more trade. If
Who's that guy on your stream?
who? Where?
Who? Where?
Oh, that's a video I want to watch. Insane top step statistics. I want to see them. Who's that guy on your stream? That's funny. It's a window capture. Didn't I say which window to capture? That's the weird thing. I have a window captured. I indicated pick and win. And yet it was showing that one.
All right, Bama. Well, that
That was
buyers
so
were
funny.
stepping in. How was we supposed to know that buyers stepped in there?
Mm.
But the footprint shows it. somewhere.
I gotta go to the bathroom. The next trade I've been looking for right at the moment would be a short, but give me a second. We'll see what happens. By the time I come back, I'll probably miss it.
Still think this could be the long. So, do kind of hate looking for counter trend. Maybe we can get drop back down, then push up.
Was I right or was I right?
About what?
I said by the time I come back, I'll miss the short and it will go to take profit.
What take profit?
The take profit, 22. 22 is take profit on the next trade.
I can't hear you. You're muted.
No, I'm not. I see my little thing moving.
If I'm muted, how are you talking to me?
Yeah, that's another one.
I like it when it's so obvious. Makes it even better when people fall for it. Like, you're literally talking to me.
Okay, it works good. I like it.
What are you talking about?
Volumetrica. It enters in the orders right away. It's not like wealth charts where you enter in an order. Boy, it's just not being nice to me, eh? Wealth charts where you enter in the order and it's only on. Let me see actually how it goes. Yeah. Okay, so it's on the opposite side, but you got to click and let go. But it's instant. It's not like wealth charts where you got to wait. I hate that wait.
What? Okay. Way down a little bit.
You click your button and you wait for your order to get
Oh God, I hate that.
Get put in. Yeah, it's like 1, 2, in. Change your quantity. 1, 2, changed. Like, really? Seriously?
Yeah, I think JC's back.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hello, JC.
JC, hello.
Let's go.
Like flex volume profile. I don't know what that one is. I'll have to look it up.
Order fill.
Might get a long signal. Might take this long signal. I get my mouse in the right spot in time. Lower contract.
Mike, do they let you use all the features? Yeah. Was there a flex volume profile? Indicators. Add indicators. I don't, volume profile. I don't have a flex volume profile. I have volume sprint advanced, volume profile, volume delta, and volume. In the G's, F, I don't have a flex thing that you're talking about though.
Well, I'm not good at these types of trades. I don't want my stop loss to be that long. I don't want to lose.
My mommy, I don't want to lose.
No, don't do that. Come on. Was trying to go to break even. Well, maybe I should have let it go to break even. They don't want that wide of a stop.
What's up, Sparky? Okay, I have only one thing to say. If I'm getting such poor fills, that means I'm trading poorly, and it's time to quit.
Okay, I gave it a shot.
So my trading is just not. It's not on. It's not on today.
Irony is I moved my stop up 5 points and it wouldn't have hit if I'd left it. Haha, dumbass.
Isn't it ironic? Yeah, well, poor execution. I'm trading good size, $60, $80. Over here I'm down 140, up 40, down 6, up 100 and something on my well charts, but just somehow I'm not getting better pricing today. I'm getting worse pricing. I'm not fighting. I'm not being patient. I'm not waiting for the good price, for the good entry price.
Still up about 50 across the board. So long ways away from the $1 million, but
tomorrow's a new day.
Maybe tomorrow I'll make the $1 million, but a couple $100 for hanging out and pressing a few buttons. I'll take it. Don't want to know if this trade wins. Put it back where the stop loss should have been. So I'm already out of the trade. Watch it. Now y'all see why I'm not good at reversals? I don't like my stops being 30 points.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's not just reversals. I find just trading the time charts, your stops are large. That's why I love Renko Fuck. I could set a trade with such a tight, like 15 is crazy for me. Many of them are 7, 6.
I like 15. I think my standard right now is 18.
Yeah.
But then I'm going for...
Make me happy.
If I let it hit my take profit, I'm going for like 21 points. So all right, Mike, I'll take a break, come back, play the game for a few minutes, call it a day.
Yep.
All right. If I'm not back in 2 minutes, wait 2 more.
What? You just said we're calling it a day. What am I waiting for? Did I misunderstand? You said, all right, Mike, we're going to call it a day. I said, yeah. I got all excited.
Anybody else want to tell them? Fine, I'll tell them again.
Say it again. I'm listening.
Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
How about I take a quick break and then come back? We play the game for a few minutes, then call it a day.
Ah, you said all that?
I said all that, yeah.
Sounds good. I'll try and set it up. It's good. I need to practice. Are you setting it up or I'm setting it up? You need to practice too.
You set it up. I'll be back. If I'm not back in 2 minutes, wait 2 more.
Okay. Look, I didn't even see you were there. That's funny. You have the earphones in? I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, moving higher, eh? Moving on up.
She was trying to put the headphones in, but I guess she was unsure.
Okay, so who's playing?
Hi.
Hello.
You want to play the game? All right. Can we get an S put in? You want an S or an M? All right. Can we get an S put in?
S. S. Oh, wait, S. Sorry. S. Bama, Loot, Gone. Joker, Crispy. Yeah, we'll keep him in. Save and apply. 11 players loaded. Okay. She's watching?
Hold on.
I want 2 marbles. Add a player. I get 2 marbles. I worked hard on the game. Futures 2.
I told y'all it's rigged.
Futures 2. Add player. There, 12 players loaded. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Everything good? Oh, cool. It's playing well.
What? You want to listen? Here. You take that one. Ow. Come on, put in this ear. You got an ear over here, you know. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. It's big for your ears. You gotta hold it.
Who stopped out? Another one stopped out. Oh, wow. Butters is gone.
Butter stopped out.
Futures is gone. Coach Fred's gone.
Hey, where's the S?
What S?
Oh, maybe that's it. I think that's you, the blue one.
Oh, S. EHSS. Yeah, there you go. S. Why is there always screaming upstairs?
Got 12 players. You ain't got no head. You ain't got no head.
What chip? What chip just missed? Futures might get it.
I don't know why it's not. There's your head.
What chip?
What chip got it? There you go.
I almost got it. I hit the thing. One more?
One more. You want to do one more? Tell him. All right, one more.
Okay.
What chip one?
S gets an extra ball. Oh, what happened? EHSSS 2. You have 2. You're gonna have 2 save and apply.
There you're gonna have 2 balls. You ready?
2 marbles.
Yeah, put your headphone in. Come on, let's just leave this off.
We got S2 and S.
There you go. You ready? See where you're at? Blue?
Blue and kind of like pink-ish.
Blue and pink-ish.
Ish. Somebody stopped out. I get to hear it in advance. Wood chip gone. Well, he ain't winning twice. Bama's gone. I gotta go.
Nobody winning.
Omnius out. Omnius didn't get 2 marbles. Poor Omnius.
Rigged.
S. Oh, S looked like
Nobody's winning. It's
yet.
gonna take all day.
Coach is on the right side of the board. Joker's on the right side of the board.
They're fighting. Calm down, guys. Don't fight.
S is trying to get on the right side of the board.
Is fighting.
One over there.
S2 is on the right side of the board. Oh, S2 is in red. Oh, I thought she would have it. Joker's out. S2 went back to the left side. I thought S2 was going to get it. I didn't see the peg was in the way. We got a busy right side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got to push you out of the way.
S is close.
Who's crispy?
Coach is going down.
Coach got it.
Joker sprint. Enough, Sparky. Okay, we got Coach and Scalping. That was fun. Okay, guys.
All right.
I'm closed up.
We're done. Take this.
Bye.
I enjoyed that.
Okay. They said bye.
Ninja Trader, window capture, bye-bye. Close.
Okay.
I got to make a hasty retreat.
Yeah.
Because we got some screaming upstairs. I do want to talk to you a little bit, though. Maybe around 1 o'clock, 1:30, you'll just show up in the Discord just for a quick 5-minute chit-chat.
1:30. Yeah, I can do that.
What time was good?
1:30.
1:30. Okay, I'll be here at 1:30. Let's start that over. Okay.
Talk about hasty, huh?
Yeah. Because
All right, guys. Appreciate y'all hanging out. I'll at least say bye before and
there's
Skeletor
fighting going
Bama.
on upstairs. That's why.
All right, go.
Yeah.
All right, later, guys.
Take care. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye. And you will see you at 1:30. Take care. Bye.
All right.